2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R vs Ram 1500 TRX, V8 mega trucks compared. There are trucks. And if you want the most ridiculous pickups in terms of power, performance, and off-road capability, there's no hotter duo than the Ford F-150 Raptor and Ram 1500 TRX. So, following the debut of the new V8-powered Raptor R on Monday, let's take a closer look at how these bad boys compare on paper. Does one truck have a clear advantage over the other, or can these rivals hang side by side? The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R is a 700 HP super truck. Engine and performance. The main difference between the Raptor R and the standard F-150 Raptor is its engine. Rather than using a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, the Raptor R gets a supercharged V8. That makes it a far more formidable foe for the TRX, which also has mega V8 power. Powertrain specs. Engine Ford F-150 Raptor R supercharged 5.2L V8, Ram 1500 TRX supercharged 6.2L V8. Power Ford F-150 Raptor R 700 horsepower, Ram 1500 TRX 702 horsepower. Torque Ford F-150 Raptor R 640 pound-ft, Ram 1500 TRX 650 pound-ft. Transmission Ford F-150 Raptor R 10-speed auto, Ram 1500 TRX 8-speed auto. Drive Ford F-150 Raptor R 4WD, Ram 1500 TRX 4WD. 0 to 60 miles per hour Ford F-150 Raptor R TBD, Ram 1500 TRX 4.5 seconds. Off-road geometry. Given the sheer size and power of these trucks, you probably won't be using them to tackle extremely technical sections of tight trails. But when it does come time to hit the rocks or dunes, both the Ford and Ram are nicely set up for success, though the Raptor has a clear advantage across the board here. Off-road specs. Approach angle Ford F-150 Raptor R 33.1 degrees, Ram 1500 TRX 30.2 degrees. Departure angle Ford F-150 Raptor R 24.9 degrees, Ram 1500 TRX 23.5 degrees. Breakover angle Ford F-150 Raptor R 24.4 degrees, Ram 1500 TRX 21.9 degrees. Ground clearance Ford F-150 Raptor R 13.1 inches, Ram 1500 TRX 11.8 inches. Dimensions. To call these pickups big is an understatement. They're huge in every dimension, so much so that they're legally required to have central amber marker lights because they're so freaking wide. As you can see, though, the dimensions are pretty close. Neither truck really outdoes the other in this category. Exterior measurements. Wheelbase Ford F-150 Raptor R 145.4 inches. Ram 1500 TRX 145.1 inches. Length Ford F-150 Raptor are 232.6 inches, Ram 1500 TRX 232.9 inches. Width Ford F-150 Raptor are 87.0 inches, Ram 1500 TRX 88.0 inches. Height Ford F-150 Raptor are 80.6 inches, Ram 1500 TRX 80.9 inches. Base weight Ford F-150 Raptor are 5,950 pounds, EST, Ram 1500 TRX 6,350 pounds. Truck stuff. You can't talk about pickup trucks without discussing their hauling abilities. Payload is the amount of weight a truck can carry in its bed, while towing refers to how heavy of a trailer it can pull. In both categories, Ford has a slight advantage. Payload and towing. Max payload Ford F-150 Raptor are 1,400 pounds, Ram 1500 TRX 1,310 pounds. Max towing Ford F-150 Raptor are 8,700 pounds, Ram 1500 TRX 8,100 pounds. Technology. Inside, each truck boasts a 12-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen running its respective automaker's latest and greatest systems. For Ford, that means Sync 4 with over-the-air update capability, and for Ram, it's the easy-to-use Uconnect system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard in both trucks, too. These pickups have lots of active and passive safety systems, as well. Ford didn't specifically detail anything on the new Raptor R, but considering the standard F-150 Raptor comes standard with the company's Copilot 360 suite of driver assistance technologies, we can't imagine the R will be any different. Ram offers a similar loadout of tech, with things like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning available. Price. So far, these crazy pickups seem pretty evenly matched, but when it comes to price, there's a huge difference. Ford says the Raptor R will start just under $110,000, while the Ram 1500 TRX costs $80,595 including destination. Sure, you can option a Ram up to the six-figure mark, but that's still quite a price premium. The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R goes into production later this year.